Hello and welcome back to my channel, GK My Way. As most people spend a major part of their adult life at work, job satisfaction is an important element of individual well-being. What are the factors that contribute to job satisfaction? How realistic is the expectation of job satisfaction for all workers? Introduction. It can not be denied that majority of the adults spend long time at work. Therefore, some people suggest that being contented with one's work life plays a crucial role in individuals' mental as well as physical contentment. Several aspects lead to job satisfaction, however, to a major degree such an anticipation is not practical in my viewpoint. Both the questions are answered. Body 1. Discussing the determinants. Most importantly, a good remuneration package is on priority. The main reason for believing this is that a handsome salary will enable an individual and his family to live a comfortable life with security and happiness. The other decisive cause for job satisfaction is the work culture. This includes development opportunities, fair policies and practices, timely appreciation and reward, intermittent trainings along with amicable behavior from coworkers as well as supervisors. Moreover, happy with one's work is also due to proximity to work location, variety and challenges in work and above all successful work-life. Body 2. Addressing the latter question, as mentioned, the presupposition for job satisfaction is largely impossible. Predominantly, people's expectations from their employers are usually beyond limit. It has been repeatedly observed that in almost all small and large organizations, employees and workers at all positions complain about benefits as facilities at work, flexibility of work hours, assignment burden and deadlines apart from their constant dissatisfaction about being underpaid and overworked. Conclusion. To sum up, the opinion that being satisfied with one's professional life is of prime importance for individual well-being is apparently not possible. The aspects of job satisfaction are diverse from income to work location, development opportunities to their respect at workplace. Therefore, it is largely a remote chance that all who work may be happy. I believe everyone's priorities and expectations are different. Thank you for watching video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe now for more content like this.